Wait, that's not smart audio. So here's the Mate 40 Pro, Huawei's latest and greatest. Huawei's released 4 models: the standard Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro, Mate 40 Pro Plus, and the Porsche design Mate 40 Pro RS. One thing's for sure, like Samsung and Apple, Huawei sure knows how to make a premium flagship smartphone. The Mate 40 Pro feels every bit the 2020 flagship smartphone you'd expect. In my hand is the ever so sleek black colorway, and this is the magnificent Mystic Silver. Love the color shifting effect, and the glass back has a matte finish. It repels fingerprints like a champ, the way it should be. Love it. Sorry, can't stop touching it. The Mate 40 Pro is a little curvier at the edges than its predecessor. What's distinct about the Mate 40 Pro design is the space ring design on the back. The ring that encircles the Leica script houses the triple cam system and LED flash. The phone features what Huawei calls the 88-degree horizon display that almost completely wraps around the back. As you can see, the physical buttons are almost towards the back of the device. The Mate 40 Pro rocks a 6.76-inch FHD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Granted, not the fastest, but still a step up from the standard 60Hz. It also comes with a 240Hz touch sampling rate for better responsiveness, especially when playing games. I'm no fan of curved screens because for me they serve no practical purpose. But that said, they do make for a beautiful, seamless looking device. Nonetheless, in my very short time with the device, I found the display top-notch. And down at the bottom is a down-firing speaker, USB-C port, and a SIM tray. Making a return are proper dual stereo speakers. Huawei finally came to the senses. And they sound pretty good. Overall, a very good looking device and an impeccably built one at that. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Mate 40 Pro's camera system consists of the 50MP f1.9 wide-angle camera, 20MP f1.8 ultra-wide angle, and a 12MP f3.4 telephoto camera with OIS and AF. There's also a 3D depth camera. The camera is capable of shooting 5x optical zoom or up to 50x digital zoom, and in terms of video, up to 4K 60fps. Autofocus seems snappy, although I'll reserve my comments until I can have a proper review. It supposedly has better low-light capabilities and improved video performance, aided by steady shot and XD Fusion HDR video. Here are some sample videos to test how steady the phone is compared to my iPhone 11 Pro in 1080p and 4K. Huawei has added some new features including Story Creator, which supplies templates with guides to help users create compelling short videos. Check out my masterpiece I did in 5 minutes. There are interesting modes too, like Dual View, which simultaneously captures videos using 2 cameras. Although not new, I found the tracking shot feature compelling, something content creators and vloggers especially may find extremely useful. The dual front cameras give you 2 different field of views. Wider if you're taking a Wi-Fi. The camera will also automatically switch to a wider angle when you flip it from portrait to landscape mode. The Mate 40 Pro naturally retains its much-loved bread-and-butter camera modes like aperture, which gives you more bokeh-licious shots. Huawei and some other phone makers seem adamant about this hand gesture thing. I find it mostly frustrating and gimmicky. Hey guys, there's a beautiful display here, touch that instead.
Oh yeah.
So let's just quickly touch on the specs. Kirin 9000G series with 5G, Huawei's most powerful mobile silicon built on the 5nm manufacturing process. The second only to Apple's new A14 Bionic found on the new iPhone. It packs 15.3 billion transistors with cores running up to 3.13 GHz. It's paired to the world's first 24-core Mali G78 GPU and also packs a tri-core NPU. Lastly, the Mate 40 Pro comes with the fastest iteration of wired Huawei supercharge yet, 66 watts. Madness. Look at it go. It also supports 50-watt wireless charging. The phone comes with a 4400 mAh battery. The Mate 40 Pro runs EMUI 11 based on Android 10 and comes with Huawei mobile services. It includes connectivity features such as Huawei Share for multi-screen collaboration. And that's about wraps it up. So that was a look at the Huawei Mate 40 Pro. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and that bell icon. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, and peace.